concrete today, man. I've been waiting for this day for a long time, dude. It's a good deal. Trace is with me. He owns Brandon Brothers Construction. So I'm gonna let him tell you how to get in touch with him and stuff. I've been talking to Trace for a while now. We actually have some mutual friends, and so I've been wanting to get him over here. But your schedule's so packed because you're so busy because you do such good work.
Yeah. Maybe we're the only ones that want to work. I like to think it's because we do good work.
Yeah. I mean, the dude's all over the place. So if you're in the Panhandle of Florida or Lower Alabama or something like that, and you need some concrete work done, call Trace. Trace, how can someone get in touch with you?
We got email, Facebook. Facebook is Brandon Brothers Construction LLC.
Okay.
Phone number 850-849-1625. That's my personal.
Okay.
If you call that, you're going to talk to me. So our email is BrandonBrothersConcrete@gmail.
Okay.
One of the three, and you'll get a hold of us at some point. Phone's probably the fastest way.
Sure.
Facebook, my wife manages that, and then the email, I check that.
Well, I would assume if your wife's in charge of something, it's probably going to be operated a little better,
Yeah,
a little smoother.
A little smoother.
A little smoother.
That's probably my financial advisor.
That's right. That's right. Hey, you can't go wrong with the wife running your finances, or can you? I don't. You know, it depends. Dual-edged sword.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, we're going to watch these guys go to work. And again, if you need any concrete type work done, house slab, concrete slab, anything concrete, this guy can hook you up. Anyway, let's check out his guys go to work. right, so there you have it. We got about 14, 15 yards of concrete poured today on the pole barn and the lean-to. And the guys, Trace and his crew just does wonderful work. So if you're looking for concrete work in the Panhandle, 850-849-1625 is his number. Give him a call. He'll do good work for you, give you a fair price. Tell him Hamiltonville Farm sent you. All right, you guys take care. God bless.